Brother, when was the last time you looked in the mirror and actually recognized the man staring back? Did you see purpose, power and direction? Or have you been drifting slowly, dying inside while pretending you're okay? Let's be real. Most men today are lost, not because they are weak, but because they were never shown how to be strong in the right way. You are taught how to chase women, money and distractions, but no one taught you how to master your mind. No one shows you how to control your urges. No one trains you to build self-respect, discipline and focus. And that's why you wake up feeling tired even when you've slept, feel numb, scrolling endlessly, avoiding the real work, promise to change but fall back into the same loop. This is not just you, it's a generation of men silently suffering. But here's the truth, you can rebuild yourself. Start with these 3 hard but powerful habits. Number 1, cut the things that are weakening you. The porn, junk food, endless scrolling, fake friendships. These things are stealing your masculine energy. Start saying no. I know it's not easy, but it's necessary, brother. Number 2, embrace pain, not comfort. Comfort kills potential. You grow by doing hard things. Working out, the reading, building a skill, and facing your fears. Number 3, train your mind like a soldier. Most men are mentally soft. Start journaling, meditate, set daily goals. Discipline isn't a feeling, it's a decision, man. So here is the final truth. You don't need motivation. You need a reason, a deep why that fuels your fight. Your future family is counting on you. Your younger self is watching. Your legacy is being written every single day. So ask yourself, are you going to drift for another year? Or will today be the day you say enough? If this message spoke to your spirit, brother, subscribe to Men's Inner Power. This is not just content, it's a mission. We are building better men, and you should be part of it.